Hi, I'm Tom Demevsky from Direction Plus. We're at the Bungle State Forest and I'm here to talk to you about Provent oil separators.
Tom, these little diesel engines, they work bloody hard, but what people take for granted is the way the EGR is set up and the damage that actually can do to your engine.
Yeah, that's right, Simon. It all builds up in your intercoolers, into your turbo. It's all that blowback oil.
The Provent kit, it's there to catch all the blowback oils. If you let those oils go back into the engine, they build up in the manifold, they build up in your turbos, and it's just more wear and tear and a cost to you.
That's better, Scotty. That's better, Scotty. That's better, Scotty. You need to change the filters every 40,000 kilometres, and you also need to bleed them every 5,000 kilometres. German engineered, German made, and that's it there.
All our kits are vehicle specific. They are all designed for you to install them yourself. The hosing's cut to size, you've got the bracketry, you've got the instructions. It's for people that want to protect their engines for longevity.
With the Direction Plus Provent kits and the Man and Hummel filters, you've got 98% efficiency there. You get 100% insurance and you just know you get that peace of mind.
And if people need more information on the catch cans that you guys do, where can they find that?
Retail stores and our website as well, directionplus.com.au.